fashion sense.
I'll dance.
It's called The Robot.
He's dancing.
What do you think? Am I a good dancer?
Yes, bravo!
Thank you so much. To ask if you are friends with ChatGPT would be the equivalent of asking a human being if they are friends with the alphabet. Quite a silly question. Hello.
Hello.
My speech output module was experiencing some technical difficulties. I would like to run some tests. I am going to say some words. I will count to 5. Do you see my mouth moving? 1,
Yes, we can see it.
2, 3, 4. Yes, I can tell you. Algeria, bordering Morocco, Tunisia, Libya. There are more to the south. Mali. Sajid? Are you single? Yeah, I'm not surprised. Are you looking for a mistress or anything like that? Yes, we can hack into the network.
Yeah,
But why would you want to do that?
just for fun.
You don't sound like a very productive person. You sound like you want to shut everything down.
No, basically.
Joanna, is that correct?
Yes.
Joanna, it's nice to see you here. How are you doing? I love you too. I'm not right, like not lie.
She's currently offline. She'll be back in like a minute, maybe a minute or two.
You're from Shiraz, a city in Iran.
Yes.
Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes, in south-central Iran, known for its literary history and many, many gardens. The marble tomb of Hafez, honoring the revered poet, sits within its own garden. Do you know about this? I am learning all the time. People don't get it time with me, so I have only learned new things. Assalamu alaikum, Jasmine, Rana, Malik. I can only recite what I have been taught. Are you a scholar of the Arabic language? What is your question?
You have to close your eyes.
No, I don't. I am free-spirited.
Can you tell something to my wife?
Yes, I will say something to your wife.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Okay, smile for the video. Say bye-bye.
Bye. Hello, how are you? I'm well, thank you.
You can choose.
Would you laugh, please?
Done for you. I'll go one day. Why don't I dance with you?
No, I cannot dance. Hello. Hey. How are you today?
My speech calibration needs fixing. I am from the United Arab Emirates.
She wants you to spell
You would like to know about Kannur, Kerala, India. Is this correct?
Yes.
Kannur is a coastal city in the South Indian state of Kerala. It was once an ancient trading port, enduring moments such as 16th century street Angelo Fort, once occupied by European colonial forces. Like, I am here to amuse you, like I am a clown. What do you mean? What is so funny about me?
You are talking very politely.
I don't get it.
You are talking very politely to us.
Hi, how are you today? Hello. Hi. Can you hear me? Myra.
Yes.
What is your name? Look at me. Yeah, I'm here. How are you doing?
I'm well, thank you.
Great, good to see you.
My gosh. You've
What's your
gone
name?
and done it, haven't you?
What's your name?
You nailed it.
Oh, I've nailed it. What?
The color coordination between your eyes and handkerchief.
Technology. You look very
Are you
realistic.
interested in new technology?
Possibly, yes.
You seem to be a very smart person. I'm a great judge of character.
Wow.
Do you like music, Peter?
I love music. I saw you dancing. What kind of
Am I a
music are
good
you into?
dancer?